Hello everyone. Got an idea I just want to share with you. You know, you always have trouble keeping your tow strap and your jumper cables looking nice and tidy. Well, zip ties are great for tying them up, but then when you have to use them, it's a real pain because you have to cut the zip ties and then find new zip ties. So what I've decided to do is use this old bicycle inner tube. I replaced inner tube in my bike, so I'm going to just cut this out. Here's where it blew, right over here. You can see where the tire blew, and so I'm just going to cut out some strips of rubber, make some large rubber bands out of this. So this inner tube can be useful for a lot of stuff. So I'll do an update as soon as I've cut those and strapped these, the tow strap and the jumper cables. 2 12-inch strips of inner tube cut. Now I'll just tie knots in them and wrap them around the tow strap and the jumper cables. So I'm basically just tie a granny knot, tie it together. The tow strap's now nice and tidy, well organized, and that can be used and then put back. And I'll do the jumper cables. Alright, tow strap and jumper cables nicely organized, and I'm going to just keep this remaining bicycle inner tube for other uses on the road, or if I ever need to make a little rubber band heavy duty rubber band, or tie something down. There it is. Use your bicycle inner tubes for lots of good things.